Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you guys. They are battery powered, so there's no flame to worry about, and it flickers just like a regular candle. And then this is like a string light that goes around them. So let's unbox them. Flickering flameless candles. And this is a 3-piece set. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. Let me slide this open. Alright, I slid it out of the box and it comes with some instructions. Here's the manual. It does take 2 AA batteries per candle. And I don't believe it comes with the batteries, so you do need to get those on your own, which is fine. We usually get our batteries from Amazon anyway. These actually feel like wax candles, which is really nice. I guess they have a smell. Here's the remote. Tiny little remote. And the remote has a battery in there already. It says that one is included. So let me just take off each of the candles. Ooh, these are so cute. Look at how it flickers. It like waves. That's so cute. Okay, so I'm going to take each one out. This actually feels like a real candle, so you do have to be careful not to put it next to any heat because it feels like it would melt because it is made of like a real wax. And it's got these really pretty string lights like built into it. That's so cute. So let's get some batteries in it and turn them on. 2 AA batteries each. This is the largest of them all. I'll get the sizing as well for you guys. Okay. You do want to be careful because this flame is just a plastic piece and it's just on that little metal rod. You see it there? So you don't want to snap that off. They'll still work, but you want to still have that ambiance of the flickering. You know, that little real life candle feel. So let me get the other 2 with batteries and I'll come right back. Okay, now that I have them lit up, I'm looking at the remote. And don't forget to take this little plastic out because I think that's what's going to stop the battery from being used. So this does need to be pulled off. Okay, so this was the plastic piece that was in it. So you do just slide that right out. And now the remote will work. And let's check them out. So these are the 3. Okay, so this is the LED flickering flameless candle set. The 3 of them are so adorable. Look at how pretty they look. Definitely a cute buy. So let's see. I'm gonna shut off the main light over here and see how bright they are with the lights off. So here we are. Some beautiful candles. See the little flickering action it has. I'll have them run for a few to see if they get hot to touch. So some candles they do, so you have to be careful still even though they're batteries. I'll let you know if they get hot after a while leaving them on. But this remote is really nice. Let me turn the lights back on and I'll talk to you about the remote. Okay, so the remote here has an on and off, and it also has timer, 2, 4, 6, and 8 timer. And on the box it says it has a 120-hour running time and that it's kid safe, so I don't think they get hot. And then mode, you have candle or light mode, and then you can dim it or make it brighter. So let's see. Can't really tell because the light is on, so let me see. Oh yeah, it did get dimmer. That's like the lowest setting, I guess. Then it should get brighter. Yeah, it gets brighter. Okay, and then let's see if the on and off works. Okay, that's off. And that's on. That's really cute. These will definitely be cute, especially if you want to set up like a romantic little evening, maybe on your tub area, or even a candlelit picnic, sunset picnic or something like that. You can bring these along. It's nice because you don't need plug-ins anywhere. I like how it shines off the wall too. Shows like a flickering off the wall. It's really pretty. You could even have them on movie night or something. And you're just chilling out with your significant other. Really cool. If you're interested, I'll leave the link below, like I said, and check them out. And before I end the video, I'll let you guys know if they end up getting hot temperature wise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.